So this is our system maps for policy. As you can see, policy in the middle and our interventions around it. So I'm going to be showing you how each of our interventions connects with the other teams in our food system. So the first intervention, as we can see right here, is scaling up payment for ecosystem services. This simply means that when there's a violation in the ecosystem, there must be a medium for collecting fines for such violations. So this is going to have an impact on technology because we are going to be leveraging programmable money for those payments. Also, it will have an effect on environment because by implementing those payments in the first place, we'll be lowering GHG emissions if people know that there are going to be levies for environmental infractions. Here, we'll be tasking and regulating on healthy foods. This will have an effect on diets because it's going to promote healthy diets. When people know that healthy foods are going to be taxed, it's going to ensure that the supply of unhealthy food is limited to the barest minimum. Also, it's also going to be having an effect on economics because it will be increasing government income in the sense that the regulatory bodies that will be taxed with finding these unhealthy foods are going to be bringing in additional stream of income for the government. Here, we are also going to be using public procurement to secure long-term offtake for alternative protein sources. This is going to have an effect on economics because it means that we'll be having new players who will be coming into the alternative protein market as investors, which will have an impact on economics. It will also have an impact on diet because alternative protein sources such as aquaculture, cellular agriculture, precision fermentation will become a mainstream diet. Then one of our interventions is also taxing food waste. This would affect environment by creating net zero food waste. It will also affect economics because the regulatory bodies who will be charged with implementing this food waste will bring in additional stream of income also for the government. Then one of our policies is also developing patient capital that supports smallholder farms. This will affect culture because if more capital is injected into smallholder farming, it means that a lot of people will begin to consider going into smallholder farming. So the culture of smallholder farming will become cool again. It will also have an impact on economics because it will increase income for community farmers. Once these patient capitals are injected, community farmers will have more breathing space to be able to undergo several projects on their farms. Then one of our policies is repurposing agricultural subsidies for community greenhouses and peri-urban farms. This will affect technology because these greenhouses will be combined with mini grids. It will also affect environment by eliminating food waste. Then another policy is the creation of policy newsrooms and think tanks. This will affect culture because it will mainstream information and encourage sustainable practices. People will be able to dive in and get updated information about current guidelines, either dietary, nutritional, or policy-wise. It will also affect technology because it will feed local loops and linkages. People will be able to dial in, especially people in rural areas, to be able to connect with other players in the value chain. Then one of our policies is also building feedback infrastructure into policy making. This will also affect technology because it will create an open data platform where people can network with each other, where buyers, sellers, producers, prosumers can match themselves in the value chain. Thank you.